Welcome back. Today we've got something special lined up for you. The 2025 Lexus UX300h. Now this little SUV might be the least expensive way to park a brand new Lexus in your driveway, but don't let that fool you. It's packing some serious upgrades for the 2025 model year, making it more competitive, stylish, and fun to drive than ever. But here's the real question. Is the UX300h just a budget luxury SUV? Or is it a hidden gem in the crowded subcompact market? Well, let's dive in and find out. So what makes the 2025 Lexus UX300h stand out? First of all, it's more powerful, more efficient, and offers more features than ever before. But let's break that down a bit, shall we? The most obvious change for 2025? The engine upgrade. Lexus bumped up the horsepower from 181 to 196 horsepower with an all-new hybrid setup. So you're not just saving at the pump, you're also getting a smoother, quicker ride. Ever felt the frustration of sluggish acceleration in a hybrid? Well, the UX300h fixes that, delivering quicker, more confident sprints thanks to the upgraded electric motors and a new lithium-ion battery pack. Have you ever wondered how much more enjoyable your daily commute could be with a hybrid that doesn't feel slow? This might just be the answer, but let's not stop there. The 2025 UX300h also gives you options. Whether it's the base model, premium trim, or the sportier F-Sport variants, there's a UX for everyone. Starting at $37,515, the UX offers a wide range of choices, with the top-end F-Sport handling version reaching up to $45,980. And let's be real, when you're looking for value in the luxury SUV world, that's pretty competitive. Now, here's something you'll love. All-wheel drive is an option. For those of you who live in areas where weather conditions aren't always friendly, having that AWD peace of mind is priceless. Have you ever found yourself sliding around in winter weather and wishing your car could grip the road better? This could solve that problem for you. Lexus gives you the choice to either stick with the front-wheel drive or opt for the extra grip. Speaking of performance, Lexus didn't just stop at more power. They also revamped the suspension, offering a handling package that includes adaptive dampers on the F-Sport handling trim. This means you can adjust your suspension depending on your driving style. Ever wanted a luxury SUV that adapts to the road? Whether you're cruising in comfort or want a firmer, sportier drive, you've got it with the UX300h. And let's talk fuel economy. Lexus knows that efficiency is key in a hybrid, and with the UX300he, you're looking at 45 miles per gallon city and 41 miles per gallon highway with front-wheel drive. That's a bump from the previous version, so not only are you getting more power, but you're also using less fuel. And if you go for the all-wheel drive option, you still get impressive figures at 44 miles per gallon city and 40 miles per gallon highway. How many other luxury SUVs are giving you that kind of efficiency? Inside, Lexus shows us why they are known for luxury. Even though the UX300h is their smallest SUV, they didn't skimp on the upscale touches. You've got a dual-zone climate control system, power-adjustable front seats, and a whole lot of luxury materials wrapping you in comfort. And the tech? It's on point. Every UX comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Plus, if you're someone who loves big screens, you can opt for the 12.3-inch touchscreen for all your infotainment needs. Of course, we can't forget about safety. Lexus packs the UX with driver assistance features. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist and automatic emergency braking, this little SUV has got your back. Ever been in a tricky situation on the road and wished your car had just a little more help to keep you safe? Lexus is thinking ahead for you. Now let's be honest, the UX300h isn't perfect. The back seat might feel a bit cramped if you're hauling around a bunch of adults, and the cargo space isn't massive, but for a subcompact SUV, it offers enough to get by, especially if you're using it as a daily driver or weekend getaway vehicle. That said, Lexus made some smart tweaks for 2025. The copper crest color adds a fresh new vibe, and the updated driver assistance features make it even safer. There's also a new digital gauge cluster option that gives the interior a more futuristic feel. And you've gotta love the attention to detail on things like the head-up display, the panoramic moonroof, and even the optional premium audio system from Mark Levinson. So whether you're in it for the luxury, the performance, or the hybrid efficiency, the 2025 Lexus UX300h has something for everyone. It's one of the most affordable luxury hybrids on the market, and it doesn't skimp on the features or the driving experience. The big question is it the right fit for you? Well, that's where I want to hear from you. What do you think of the 2025 Lexus UX300h? Is this compact SUV the perfect blend of luxury and hybrid efficiency, or are you holding out for something with a bit more room or power? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And as always, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more daily content. We've got tons of exciting vehicles to talk about every day, and I don't want you to miss out. So hit that bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video on Wheels 4 Drive.